Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about stains. On the internet there are many ways to remove mascara stains, but I always prefer the easiest way, the cheapest way, that way that is handy, using something we already have in our homes. Maybe you are on the road or on vacation and you don't have in the moment a micellar water, a hairspray or a stain remover. You can use something as simple as dish soap and water. With this method, you don't even have to throw your clothes into the washer, and you can also clean upholstery and carpet like this. Put some dish soap on the stain, a little bit of water and scrub carefully with a toothbrush, sponge, rag, depending on what you have on hand. I keep this toothbrush only for stain removal from fabric. I keep it in my bathroom and use it when I need to. For cleaning, I have another one. I don't use this one that I use on clothes. You can see that within seconds the stain is already gone. Crazy! On my channel I have a lot of videos regarding stains. If you're interested, I will link my stain removal playlist at the end. There you can learn how to remove different stains: chocolate, ketchup, pen, grease, lipstick, denim, etc. When the stain is gone, just rinse it and that's it. So simple, so fast. You can see here there is no more mascara on my top, just some dish soap that I have to rinse very well. On my channel I do videos about organization, decor, cleaning motivation, home projects, gardening and laundry hacks. I hope you will stick around. Please let me know in the comments below how you remove mascara stains and if you knew this method. You can see the stain is absolutely gone. It looks like it has never been there. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!